Hello everyone. As you know, my name is Akile Bichentürk. I am going to explain today saving our world from the global warming. I researched it on the internet, magazine and etc. and I want to give some information about this topic. There are many problems in our world, but the most important one is global warming. As you know, the temperatures start to increase in everywhere. But what are the causes of global warming? The most important cause is carbon dioxide. Global warming appears when people start to use more carbon dioxide gases like deodorant gases, factory gases, and etc. We said that before there are many problems in our world, and now I want to say something about this problem. We can give examples at this point, like environment pollution, air pollution, and etc. But these problems affect global warming too. Everybody should do something for this situation. For instance, save energy. You can change your lamps with economic lamps, or you can turn off your TV, lamps, computer, and etc. when you don't use them. Last but not least, use less water. For example, when you take shower, you can take shorter showers. Second thing is, you should change your habits. At the beginning, you should use car less. You should prefer to walk or use bicycle, and it is very good for you because you can be healthier with this point. Another is less deodorant and growing more trees because trees provide oxygen gases. And last but most important one is factories, because global warming has got many bad effects for our world, like rising sea level, increase in temperatures, changes in water supply, and some animals. Finally, if you want to give good world to your children, you should do something for global warming. Today is 1 June and the temperature is 38 degrees, but my grandmother said that in the past the weather was sometimes rainy, but now it is impossible. So before our world dies, we should save our world.